All right, it's Big C. It is Sunday afternoon here. Just looking for the volume on the TV. It is March 4th, 2004. I've got one, two, three. I got 6 box breaks. I got 1 mini box, 2. I've got a plates and patches. Here they all are. There's the mini boxes, and there's the threads and all the stuff that we have coming up. Actually, we're doing the threads now. And then here is the sign-up sheet. This is for the Panini Threads football break, and then March 2nd. So here we go with the sign-up sheet for everybody. I think everything, I believe everybody, it did sell out, so there's nothing left. And just a heads up, in the next couple days, I know that Totally Certified Football is scheduled to come out on the 14th of March. So I'm going to go ahead and put a case break. I want to do a case break. I don't know if I got everybody down there yet. Do a case break on the Totally Certified Football. So it's supposed to be some pretty neat stuff. So we'll do a case and all that. I'll film the case with the case seal and do a time check and all that kind of stuff. And I'll also get some individual boxes also. But I think I'm going to do a case, so I will have that listed probably within the next day or two. And there is a box and a checklist just in case. And we're off on this, so we'll go through this pretty quick. Just we have Ed Reed jersey out of $2.99. The Ravens go to Chris Corena, Chris and Corena, I believe, or Chris Corena. So again, I apologize for the names. I'm good at butchering names, so I certainly don't mean to, but I do that sometimes. We got all base. We got Jim Parker, Heritage Collection, Colts, base, Justin Thomas, rookie, or Julius Thomas, rookie, my bad, not numbered, all base. Base, and then we have Tim Hightower. It looks like some kind of refractor, 6 out of 100. That goes to the Cardinals, and that would go to 1641 Jim, Jimg. So then we got rookie Robert Hauser, base, 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 and base. Peyton Manning, Brian Urlacher, decoy, Greg Jones, rookie for the Giants. I got base, 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 and base. Base, base, and we have a Matthew Stafford Gridiron Kings, number 29 out of 100. So that will go to the Lions, which is D.D. Crafty. So that's a pretty neat card. Base, base, Tony Romo, base, Philip Rivers, all base. I don't know if I did a time check. Let's see. It is March 4th, 2008. I don't know if I did that before I started the video or not. So base, base, Colt McCoy, all rookie team, not numbered. We got TJ Yates, rookie. He was pretty hot there for a little while. Base, and all these are base. I'll hold them like this as they are shown that way. Base, 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 Dion Lewis, base, Well, they have these going every which way, but those are all base. See, Tony Gonzalez, Reggie Wayne, David Hester. Oh, that is a sweet card. Jake Locker, Titans, rookie class auto letter patch. That goes to MZNZ, number 20 out of 100. So that's a pretty neat card. Rookie, base, base, and base. So that was a neat card. Earl Thomas base, Aaron Rodgers. We got Tim Tebow star factor, not numbered base. Justin Houston base, base, base. All those are base. Adrian Peterson, Felix Jones, Tony Gonzalez, number to 250 that goes to the Falcons, which is VMC Mike. Johnny Patrick, Carson Palmer, base, base. All those are base. Reggie Bush base, Clay Matthews, Star Refractor, Ray Rice, not numbered. Aldrick Robinson base, Eddie Royale base, Larry Fitzgerald, Vernon Davis, David Tomlinson. Joe Flacco base. Ben Watson, Wes Welker, Baron Batch, Jimmy Clausen, Brian Hartland, Matt Hasselbeck, and Sean Green, all base. Let's see, Calvin Johnson base, Michael Turner. Here's a nice Ryan Matthews rookie team 2010 prime patch, 42 out of 99. That would go to the Chargers, and that is 2 hand items. So we have Dante Mach, Colt McCoy, Arian Foster, Michael Crabtree, Steve Smith. Steve Smith. Here we got Cameron Jordan, number 04 out of 250, and I think he is the Saints. So the Saints are BMC Mike, Stanley Havili, Lee Evans, Jamal Charles, base and base. Base, base, triple threat, Bradford, Steven Jackson, and Danny Amendola. That's base. Bradford, all these are just base cards. Peyton Hillis, base, base. Decoy, Johnny White, rookie. All these are base. Stanford, Gonzalez, Marshall Falk, Steven Jackson, Generations, Jonas Moten, not numbered rookie for the Chargers, Miles Austin, Eli Manning, Malcolm Floyd, and Randy Moss. Tom Brady, Brandon Pettigrew, Matt Ryan, Marvin Austin, not numbered, Schwab, Williams, Brett, and Matthews base. So you got Dallas Clark, Jonathan Stewart, Troy Polamalu, Gridiron Kings. That's not numbered, but it has a kind of a painted texture to it, a canvas texture. Oh, there's a card sticking. Corey Legit, Brandon Marshall, Mario Manningham, Santana Moss, and Frank Gore. Let's see, Reggie Wayne, David Hester, Adrian Peterson. Here is a Bengals AJ Green rookie collection for VMC Mike out of $2.99. So there's AJ Green, Anthony Allen, Greg Jennings, Todd Heap, Mike Wallace, and Cadillac. Base. Felix Jones Star Refractor, Richard Gordon rookie, not numbered. Base, and base. And 3 more packs. So you got Lance Moore, Donovan McNabb, 250. It's like a refractor. Base. 2 more packs. Ron Cutler, Percy Harvin, Decoy, Stephen Paya, I'm not really sure, that dude. Base, and the last pack. Felix Jones. There's another one in Brandon Jacobs. Those like canvas Gridiron Kings. Mason Foster, Mike Sims Walker, Forte, McLean, Williams, all day. Alright, that should do it. I'll be right back with, we'll do the rookies and stars next. And it was a nice hit for the Titans. MZNZ, good, nice hit on the locker. Thanks a lot.